That guy would love you a lot more. No, well, they are the finale. Already. They're going to keep going.
They're going to go for another half an hour at least. Look at that. Look how busy this is.
That's insane, you guys. Get up there, guys.
That's awesome. That's awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
At Memorial Day, they were out in Rockford and they canceled the flight because somebody screwed up and they were disciplining them. The city of Rockford, at Memorial Day.